Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we're going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on Tesla, and we have actually done a video on this earlier today. Did do a full analysis, but it was our weekly trade idea. So on Fridays we're starting to release trade ideas, so one you can see us trade live or on the day, see how it plays out, and one of them was on Tesla. Again, we were looking at two key things. I'll quickly go over it here just as a summary, but check out the full video for what we were looking at. Gap fill on the SPY. As soon as we had that, we hit him with one contract. Then what we looked for is a push down to 177.30, because that was our first deviation on the 30-day chart, and again that's where we got long one more contract. So our average is basically down here on the, if you were to buy shares, or probably even know about here on shares, but obviously bought it through options. And where's our target? As it was on the 30-day chart and not like the normal 6-month and 1 year chart we normally analyze, again we're looking more for a scalp, 3 points max of the upside. So really I'm just looking to lock in these profits coming into VWAP, because that's probably a good indication where if it's a trend day, that's probably more than likely where we will continue down. So on to the proper analysis, just wanted to show you that. What are we looking at? So again, as always, what we do is go into the longer term time frames, 6-month and 1 year charts. What levels are we paying attention to? So we can see we have just broken through basically today through this 181 support, which was our first deviation on the 4 hour. Again, not a proper break because we did touch it before, we bounced off but didn't hit any other deviation and continued back through. So again, not a tradable, or not something we look to trade if it's already touched without touching another deviation. However, very close, we do actually have a tradable level, which is going to be this 172.25. This is going to be our first deviation on the 1 year chart. And again, we'll provide probably a good bounce opportunity at a minimum, but can also provide a reversal zone. So again, be looking out for that. Probably going to be more dependent on the overall market, but definitely key to be noting that. If we start to break this, we're then looking at 136. And if we go low, 122, going low would be $92.72, and then final levels at $45 and $22. Again, are we going to go that low? Probably not, but it's better to be prepared than unprepared. So quickly, what are some resistances? So kind of use this as a zone of 221 to 225. Breaking through there would be 269 to 272. Breaking through there, 316 to 323. And then breaking through there would be 360 to around 373, and final levels taking us to 405 and 432. Again, do you need to pay attention to all of these levels? No, there's a lot of levels here. All you need to pay attention to is where we are now. We're at 179. So currently we're trading between these two levels. Again, there has been reactions to these levels before. So again, maybe not the strongest probability setups, but again, still expect a little bit of a bounce. But again, this would be more of an intraday trade because we have touched it before. So this would be a day trade. You can probably get a scalp long. Again, looking for that same thing we looked for today, maybe 3 to 5 points. But really, if you're looking for the kind of swing trades or just like the big trades, we'll be waiting for levels that haven't been hit yet. So the 137 will be that first one to the downside, or the 221 to the upside. So again, you don't need to pay attention to all of these levels. Pay attention to where you are now, 179. Once you break these levels, your focus goes to 136. If on the other hand we start bouncing, 221 goes to your level. And again, all you do is the same thing. Then your focus is on that level. Once you break that level, then your focus goes to that next one being 270. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.